Deep in the heart of Africa, there's a bird so feared, so revered, that locals whisper its name in terror. They call it the shoebill, a creature so menacing, it'll haunt your dreams. Dr. Maria Rodriguez, a renowned ornithologist, had spent her entire career studying the world's most fascinating birds. But none had captivated her like the shoebill. Its massive size, eerie gray plumage, and razor-sharp beak made it a formidable predator. Maria had heard tales of the shoebill's brutal hunting tactics, how it would stalk its prey, silent as a ghost before striking with deadly precision. She was determined to witness this phenomenon firsthand. Maria trekked through the dense African wetlands, her heart racing with anticipation.